Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study each problem, and this problem we're going to solve by using the system of equation. The first problem, the difference between the present ages of Karen and Hasmin is 10. The sum of their ages is years ago is 64. Find Karen's and Hasmin's present ages. To solve the problem, first we're going to analyze, meaning to say we're going to understand the problem. And the problem now asking for the present ages of Karen and Hasmin. Then, our first step is to make a representation. In a representation, we're going to assign the variable for Karen and Hasmin. So that's why we have to let x be the present age of Karen and let y be the present age of Hasmin. Our step 2 is to make the equation. So in making the equation, we have to go back again to the problem and we have to read again the statement. The difference between the present ages of Karen and Hasmin is 10. So in this statement, we're going to translate. Difference means minus between the present ages of Karen and Hasmin. And our representation, Karen is x and Hasmin is y. So that's why our equation, first equation, x minus y equals 10. And our second equation, from the statement, the sum of their ages 2 years ago is 64. So we have to write first, when we say ago, we have to minus. So x minus 2 plus y minus 2 equals 64. Then we're going to simplify. X minus 2 plus y minus 2 equals 64. The result is x plus y equals 64 plus 4. X plus y equals 68. We have the new equation. So this is now our equation 2. X plus y equals 68. So in step 3, we have to solve the problem. We have to solve the equation. The equation 1, x minus y equals 10. Equation 2, x plus y equals 68, the new equation. And we will use the elimination method. So elimination method meaning we're going to eliminate one of the variable from the equation 1 and equation 2. On negative y, positive y, we're going to eliminate. And the remaining is x and x, so the 2x. And 10 plus 68 equals 78. And we're going to divide it by 2, both sides. So x equals 39. Then solve for y. Since we know the value of x, we have to solve for y using the equation 1. X minus y equals 10. Then the value of x is 39 minus y equals 10. Then transpose positive 39 to the right side, it becomes negative 39. So 10 minus negative 39 equals negative 29. And x negative y equals negative 29. So we're going to divide it by negative 1 both sides in order to eliminate the negative sign of the variable y. So that's why our y now is positive. Y equals 29. Step 4, we have to check our answer. From the equation 1, x minus y equals 10. The value of x based on our computation is 39. And the value of y is negative 29 equals 10. Then 39 minus 29 equals 10. So both equations are equal, so therefore our equation 1 is correct. Our answer is correct also. Equation 2, x plus y equals 68. 39 plus 29 equals 68. So 68 equals 68. So our equation, both sides are true, correct? So our complete answer now, the present age of Karen is 39 years old and husband is 29 years old.